Hello everyone. How are you all scholars? I hope you are healthy, fit and fine and enjoyed your vacations too. But now it's time to study. So I, Miss Kavita Singh, will be teaching you GK. So let's get started.
So, let's start with the very first unit, My Country, My World. In this unit, we will be studying about our India, about the states and their capitals, famous Indian cities, countries and their cities, Meet the First of India, eminent Indians and yummy Indian food. So, let's start with the first topic, Know Your India. As you all know, we live in India. It's also important to know some facts about India. India is a huge and beautiful land full of wonders. From the Himalayas to the Indian Ocean, deserts of Thar in the snowy mountains of Sikkim, it is a country full of beautiful landscapes and beautiful people. It is a unique country with diversity. Let's do the exercise given here in the first page of your GK book. Look at the picture, read the clues and name the following superlatives of India. Choose your answers from the help box. Look at the first picture. This is a picture of a longest bridge. This longest bridge is the Bhupen Hazarika Setu. It is in Assam. So here we will write the answer Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Second picture, you can see a tallest minaret. This tallest minaret is Fateh Burj. It is situated in Punjab. So, right answer here, Fateh Burj. Third picture, you can see it is a picture of a mosque. The biggest mosque. It is Jama Masjid. This mosque is situated in Delhi. So, write the answer Jama Masjid. Fourth picture, you can see a picture of a largest temple. This largest temple is Sri Rangan temple. It is situated in Tamil Nadu. So write the answer here, Sri Rangam temple. Fifth picture you can see here is the largest sand desert. It is Thar desert. It is situated in Rajasthan. Write the answer here, Thar desert. The sixth picture, you can see a picture of a longest river. This river is Ganga river. It flows in Haridwar, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna and many other places. Write the answer here, Ganga river. Let's move to page number 2 of your GK book. In this page, we will be studying about the various states of India and their capitals. India is a big country. It has 29 states and 7 union territories. Each state has a capital of its own. So here we will discuss some of the states and their capital given below. Here in this exercise, we have to match the state with the capital. So, the first state given here is Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. We will match The first with G, Mumbai. The second state here is Karnataka, and the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. So, here we will match the second Karnataka with I, Bangalore. Third state given here is Assam, and the capital of Assam is Dispur. So, we will match third Assam with F, Dispur. Fourth state given here is Madhya Pradesh, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. So, we will match fourth Madhya Pradesh with B, Bhopal. Fifth state is Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. We will match fifth Punjab with H, Chandigarh. Sixth state here is Tamil Nadu, and the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. So, we will match sixth Tamil Nadu with A, Chennai. Seventh state given here is West Bengal, and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. So, we will match West Bengal with D, Kolkata. Next state here is Sikkim, and the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. We will match 8, Sikkim with C, Gangtok. Ninth state given here is Gujarat, and the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. So, we will match 9, Gujarat with J, Gandhinagar. And the last state given here, 10th, Uttar Pradesh, and the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. So, we will match 10, Uttar Pradesh with E, Lucknow. Let's move to page number 3 of your GK book. In this page, we will study about famous Indian cities. In India, there are many cities which have some specialities that makes them famous. Like some cities are famous for its buildings and monuments, some are famous for temples, and some are famous for its achievements. Here in this page, we will be doing the exercise now. Read the clue and name the city. Select the correct city name from the bracket. Let's read the first question here. This city is a union territory and also the capital of India. It has many historical monuments including the Red Fort, Qutub Minar and India Gate. Here the option given is Delhi or Chandigarh. Here the answer is Delhi. We will write Delhi in the space given below. Second question. This city, which is also the capital of Odisha, is known as the Temple City of India. World famous Lingaraj Temple is situated here. Option given is Bhubaneswar, Cuttack. Here the answer is Bhubaneswar. We will write Bhubaneswar here. Number 3. This city in the state of Madhya Pradesh has been declared as the cleanest city in India in the annual Swachh Sarvekshan 2017. Here the option given is Haridwar and Indore. The answer is Indore. So we will write here Indore. Let's read the fourth question. Also known as the Pink City, this is the capital of Rajasthan. It has many monuments like the Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, City Palace and Jaigarh Fort. Here the option given is Jaipur and Jodhpur. Here the answer is Jaipur. Let's write here Jaipur. Question number 5. This is an old city in Uttar Pradesh, the most populous state of India. World famous Taj Mahal and the tomb of Itimadu Dula are situated here. The option given here is Lucknow and Agra. The answer is Agra. Let's write here Agra in the space given. Now let's do some current affairs questions. Question number 1. Name the President of India. Answer is the President of India is Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. Question number 2. Name the Prime Minister of India. Answer is the Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. Question number 3. Name the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Answer is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Question number 4. Which disease is widespread pandemic these days? Answer is COVID-19 is widespread pandemic these days.
Now I have some homework for you. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete the exercise given. Now it's time to end the class. I hope you enjoyed it and understood it well. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep washing your hands. Thank you.